Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to be doing a vlog. I'm going to be checking out this, I believe it's an Indonesian restaurant with my sister in the city. I think it's near Melbourne Central, I don't really remember. I don't even remember the name, but I'll put it on the screen. And obviously I'm going to take you guys along with me so you guys are going to see the place, the food. And from what I understand, this place is a little bit high-tech, so it's going to be very interesting to see what we are going to be eating and just the whole experience of everything. So it's currently, I think, 12 something in the afternoon, and the event doesn't start, or the food tasting thing doesn't start until 2, but I thought I would get ready a little bit earlier because I'm filming, and also I'm going to be taking the train, I think, so I just want to make sure I'm nice and early. And I also booked this in for like a really weird time, 2 p.m, because I'm trying to avoid crowds. And yes, I've got very light eyebrows at the moment. I think they're kind of going a little bit gingery at the moment, but I bleached them just because I went much lighter with my hair, far lighter than what I normally would, and I felt like my brows were just a little bit too strong. So yeah, I'm gonna do my makeup. I'm gonna go for sort of like a nice natural makeup look. If you guys are interested in knowing what products I used in this video, check out the description box down below. But without further ado, here's a little time lapse of me doing my makeup. So this is pretty much the final look with the makeup. Nothing too special really, it's just like warm smoky eyes, nice peachy tone lips, and this is pretty much the outfit. I feel like I kind of want to iron this shirt. I mean, I know it's a canvas shirt, so you can never really get it wrinkle free, but I feel like there's just too many wrinkles. Quickly iron this, snip on my shoes, and then we should be good to go. Hey guys, so now we're here at the restaurant. So again, this place is called Kata Kita. I had to look it up, I keep forgetting. So Kita is also a word that we use in Tagalog, Filipino, so that's why I was like, I feel like I should know this word. But anyway, this is the restaurant. It looks so cool. I really like it. I'm here with my sister and we're having a look at the menu, and I also like the fact that there isn't a visual menu. So you just have this QR code, you just point your phone at it, and then it gives you photos of what the food's like, and it gives you photos of what the food looks like, which is really handy, especially if you're a person like me that's, you know, very visual with their food. So it's really handy, especially if you don't know what the food is, especially if you're not familiar with Indonesian food and whatnot. 2:26 and we're getting drunk already, I think. So this is my sister, if you guys haven't met her before. But yeah, what do you think about your drink?
I like it. I like sour stuff.
Ooh, nice. Isn't that cilantro? Oh no,
I think it's
mint. Alright guys, so we have finished our food and I touched up, and I think the powder that I use is a little bit dark. So now my mouth area looks a bit dark, but anyway, this is what happened with our food. Pretty impressive. My sister kept eating. I'm really full now, so now we're going to go, so my sister just got to the toilet. After that we're going to go to Hosier Lane, and then just going to take a couple of like outfit of the day, so like photos, and I'll probably head home. Hey guys, so we're now here at Hosier Lane and we're just going to check out the graffiti. My sister says she's been here before, but I kind of want to just have a look at what's new here and then maybe take some photos as well. But yeah, if you guys haven't seen my other vlogs of me exploring Hosier Lane, I'll link them down in the description box down below for you guys. And then now we're here at ACDC Lane. My sister and I are just checking it out. Yeah, I've done a whole vlog on this on my other channel. If you guys would like to see it, I will link it down in the description box down below as well. But yeah, if you guys are looking for like places to take interesting photos of, and also restaurants. They have a couple of really interesting looking restaurants here as well, like that place has got bottomless brunch, so that's cool. Yeah, come down to ACDC Lane. It's pretty close to Flinders Street Station if you guys need a landmark reference. And we are back home, and oh my gosh, my lips look so weird. I feel like it's really smudged in the mask, and with the darker powder around my mouth, it kind of just makes me look... Anyway, that is pretty much it for today's vlog. Hopefully you guys enjoyed coming along with me and my sister to the restaurant, and also just kind of like checking out the different laneways here in Australia, or Melbourne, Australia I should say. If you guys would like to see a video of me kind of explaining a bit more about the laneways, I'll link it down in the description box down below. So it's on my other channel, which I don't really upload on anymore, but it's still on there, so if you guys would like to watch that, head over there and I will explain to you a little bit more about the laneways, a little bit about the history and what you can see while you're there. That's pretty much it from me, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye!